Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Moneywood following Ford Financial. Just an update here on Torchlight. I've talked about this one numerous times here on the channel. Some would say this is a penny stock. Some wouldn't, since it's here on Robinhood. You see it went up to $4.29 at one point, and there's other people that say anything below $5 is a penny stock. So either or, it's all good. But this is a Torchlight, ticker TRCH. And I still have my 20 here at $1.83. I'm actually in the red now, as I've been holding this one. You can see here what it's done over the last 3 months. And for the last month, just been kind of running down. And I'm just wondering when this one's going to take back off. It had kind of a little bit of a spike here today, but not much to brag about. And here's kind of a look at today. Just been kind of volatile. It looks like a tooth here. So down to 161, and just kind of up and down all over the place on this one. So and if you don't know much about this one, it's Torchlight Energy is an energy company which engages in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and development of oil and natural gas properties. Been around since 2007, kind of small volume, market cap of $235 million. And there's a look at the earnings. I bought mine back on February 10 at $1.83, and thinking about buying some more if it dips here down. I'm watching it, so low today of $1.60, so it wouldn't be too bad. Maybe I'll put in an order and see if it goes back down there and touches it. So here's a bargain stock you should look at, Torchlight, and this is just from yesterday on the 12th. Has a beta value of 2.01 and has seen over 3 million shares traded in the last trading session. The company currently valued at $268.83 million. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Kind of goes over the 52-week high, 52-week low of 21, 52-week high of 483. So would have had a nice run up there. But feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. Here's some more information. Are investors inclined to sell their Torchlight? This is dated yesterday also. Traded at $1.76 at the close of the session on April 12th yesterday, at a downturn move of minus 4.9% from the previous day price. Looking at the stock, we see the previous close at $1.85, and the beta 5-year monthly reads 2.01, with the day's price range being $1.73 to $1.86. So there is a little bit of play in there. 13-cent spread. You could trade it and make some money. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just stating an opinion on what I see on it. Again, 483 to 21 cents for the low. On the other hand, looking at the outlook for Torch stock, short-term indicators assign the stock an average hold, while medium-term indicators assign the average of 50% buy. Long-term indicators on average place the stock in the category of 100% buy. And I still feel it's in the buy. Maybe it just needed to cool off a little bit, and maybe present a buying opportunity for the summer. It's got to go up. It's in energy, and so it's got to go up over the summer months. That's just how I look at it. Based on analyst estimates of a 1 year, where scores have ranged from 1 for a strong buy to 5 of a strong sell, I have rated Torchlight as a hold. And you can put in the comments if you're buying, selling, or holding this one. That would be interesting to know as well. And feel free to pause and go over this information there for yourself. Although investors could be excited at the prospect of a 53.41% if the Torch share price touches on the medium price of $270. That would be pretty awesome. Here's some more financial information. Feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. Coming back to Torchlight Resources, we note that the average 3-month trading volume is 26.38 million, while that the preceding 10-day period stands at 3.87 million. Current shares outstanding are 145.31 million. Is Torchlight Energy Resources a keeper? And this is just dated today. I'm holding it, so I feel it's a keeper for a while here. Some of the same information reported on 3/15. Feel free to pause and go over that. The average price from analysts is $2.70. Currently public float of 120.58 million. And current shorts at 11.18% ratio of that float. Today, the average trading volume of Torch is 26.38 million shares. Stocks went down 6.63% for the week, with a monthly drop of 37.87%, and a quarter performance of 49.56%, while its annual performance rate touched 252%. So still pretty good return on this one, other than the last week or so here since it's been going down. Trading at a minus 25.69% from the 50-day moving average. So for 52 week, the company was unable to rebound. Volatility was left at 11.14%. Insider trading reports and indicating that there were more than several insider trading activities at Torch, starting with McCabe Grade, who purchased 1,630,434 shares at a price of 46 cents back on December 18th. After this action, he now owns 11,894,769. That's quite a difference. A little bit over 10 million more shares of Torchlight Energy Resources, valued at 750,000 using the latest closing price. And here kind of goes over some more fundamentals. Feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. Back to Reddit, see if there's any new details here. Nothing recently. It's all a month old. Over here to StockTwits, see if there's any new information. Torch, buy the dip. And that's what I'm looking to do, is buy the dip on this one. If you can't buy any more dips, it's okay. Hold tight. We'll land on the moon. And so, just like I said, this one's got to go back up. Summer months are right around the corner. And I've been continuing to watch this one. But not really any more information on this one other than buying the dip. And nothing here on tip ranks. But if you still have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments. And if you bought in the dip, and I think I'm going to put in an order for $1.60, see if it hits. You never know. Maybe wanted 161 also, and see what I can come up with. But if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel. And hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green.